All right, so we're taking some high risk here, trying to go long at 26 and looking for a 10-point ramp up higher. Hopefully that's going to pan out for us. I think we got a low enough pounding on this day. This is a big down day. Got the Dow down 272 and all that. I'll work as tight a stop as I can here, but let's see if we can get 26 to start running up for us, and we're going to be actually targeting a 10-point move up to 36. Let's see if we can get that power punching going on the upside here, and just kind of repair a little of the damage on the market and see if we can take advantage of that by getting a run up to 36 here is where I'm targeting. Stay ready to jump out anytime, both to get out of the trade and to, if we get a really fast, hard blast up to 33 area, 33 half or higher, then we might exit the trade just because it was a gift if we get that kind of rebound. I don't know that we'll get that kind of rebound yet because they are still hitting the market pretty hard here. Let's see if we can hold them up here in general above 24. If we can survive any pullbacks to 24 and they can push back up again, then we may be okay. Otherwise, stay ready to jump out. We're looking to see if we can survive any kind of pullback to 24, and that 26 can kind of break out again. The last high up there was 29, was it 29.50? Anyway, let me keep my attention on things. I think it was 28.50, 29. Let's see if we can get them going back up over 29 to start, and then ideally get them back up into the 56.30 handle, and from there try to launch a little bit of a rebound up towards 34 to 36. I'm seeing the divergence signs coming in. I'm hoping that's going to be sufficient to give us the boost back higher that we're looking for. Okay, still working a stop at 24. Hopefully they'll, in general, hold above 26 and try to make their move back up here. It is one tricky day today, that's for sure. I'm just watching to see if this divergence juice can kick in and kind of kick that price up and get them to break out a little bit. But boy, they are so bearish. You just never know if they're going to hold up or not here. Let's see if we can launch them higher and get things cooking a little bit more on the upside. Again, targeting 36, but 34 looks good. If we can, we got to break out above this 30 handle. That's the real key now, getting that breakout above 30, and then watch for a hard smash to see if we can get him up above 30. I mean, a hard run up above 30 towards 32 or so. I might have to clip this trade because of certain things that are going on. I'd like to hold out, but I'm a little nervous here because of a couple of things happening. Let's see if we can get him going above 32 and break him out to 34. And if we can get him above 32 and break him out to 34, we're going to go ahead and exit the trade on a fast run up there, okay? So let's see if we can break out 32 and make a hard jam up to 34, and we're going to go ahead and exit the trade up there. Stay long just a little bit longer here. Let's try and see if we can just break them out a little bit more on the upside. They're just getting used to the idea of a rebound here, so let's see if we can get that price to jam above 32 and try to break out to 34 or higher, and we'll look to take gains up there. There's 32 coming in. Let's see if we can take them up. Okay, go ahead and exit up there at the market up there. Exit right there. They ran up to 34. You should have got them. We got 33, got 33 half. They're still going, I think, to 36, but we got close enough to 34 there at 33. So that's 33 quarters what Mason got. So that's close enough there. So good job, you guys. Mission accomplished in a very tricky market today with the Dow down 258 now, the gold ramping up significantly, as I mentioned it would to you the other day when it was going back in the 20s. And great job. That was 7.25 gain on that trade there. Okay, so we just re-entered a short here at 38. And I'm looking for a move back down to drop them back, flop them back down to 33. Now just stay ready to jump out anytime, because although this was a nice rebound, generally you're going to get a pullback on a deal like this. Let's see if we can drop them back. Just if we get a hard fast dive under 34, we're going to go ahead and let them go, but I'm targeting 33. So we're short at 38. Let's see if we can drop them back here. Just kind of roll them back towards 34 to 33 here. Okay, they're getting a little carried away on the upside. Let's see if that can turn into some lower prices for us here. Stay ready to jump out, trying to see if they can dip back down under 37 to start, and then roll them back to the 33 to 34 level. I don't like that they're kind of hanging up here. Let's see if we can get them to back off a little bit. Still waiting for them to back off a little bit here. Okay, stay short, stay short. We're going to try to see if we can get them to back off under 37 to 38 again and make a lower move. Doggone it, they're kind of pushing the 40 handle here. Stay short just a second longer. Let's see if we can, no more pop-ups here. Let's see if they can back off and start to roll back lower. They're running 40 here. Hold on a second. Maybe the 40 handle is going to be a little bit of a resistance area. Pretty intense move here. Um, we caught that run up from 36 to the 34 area, and then they pushed a little higher, so I'm shorting 38, and we're trying to work them lower here. The meter here says 37, but we're actually short at 38. It's our actual official entry from our auto trade accounts and everything. So let's see if we can get 38 to lose ground, and we're looking for a pullback down towards 33, back into the bias here as we trade them back into this sell bias, which is pretty much rolling into more of a neutral kind of bias right now. So again, watching for 33 to 34 on the pullback, see if we can get them going down there. Go ahead, hold on a second here. They're still kind of. I'll go ahead and exit this trade right here at the market. They're still kind of pushing it here. So 38. 38 we got out with just a small loss there around 41. And let's try to hit them again here. Let's see what we got. And let's go. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and short them out here again. Short them out, short at the market, 39, 40, 39, 75, 40. Watching for a dip back down to 35 here. Got to get that price under 39. Generally holding under 39. Watching for pull back lower to the key level right there at 35.50. So I'm going to target. I got the meter at 35 here. Let's see if we can get them down to the under 36 and try to roll them back under 36 down to hit 35 again. Okay, targeting 35, 35.50. Watching for a fast, hard dive under 36. If we get a fast dive under 36, towards a 35.50 print, I'm going to clip the trade here. Let's see if we can hit them. Watch for a fast dive under 36. If we see 35, if you see 35.50 print, we'll just go ahead and hit the exit at the market button. I still like 35, but this could be kind of a supporty type zone here. Let's see if they can blast him just a little. If you see 30, move the limit to 35.50 right now here. 35.50 new limit, hard limit at 35.50 to exit the trade here. They dove right down to 6, which is where I said to watch for a dip under that. Let's see if they can take them down one more time under 6 and nail that 5.50 for us here. Hold short again, a little longer here. See if we can blast them under 6, hit that 5.50. 6/4 coming in, looking for a dip just under 6 to hit that 550. Murphy's Law acting here, missing us by a tick. I think we're going to get it, but let's see if we can break him. That doggone it. Murphy's Law, they missed us by a tick. That's, you see a lot of him in the futures business, Mr. Murphy. Oh, come on. Murphy's Law. I said to try to cover them under 6. They went 575. We had a 5/2 limit in there, and they couldn't give it to us. Hold on, I still think it's coming, but not without a little extra grind here. So let's see if they can back them off just a little bit more. Try to retest that 550. Actually, go ahead and move the limit right to 6 just to see if that's what we need to do here. Let's move the limit to 6 and see if they can dip them back down to 6 and give us that fill. 675, 675. Just looking for a dip down to 6 or lower to cover this up here. Should get it here. 6/2, 6/4, and we're filled there. 6 even filled. No problem. All right. So if you're not out, you should get out right here, but that's a good deal. So short at 39.75 was our entry, and we covered him up at 36 for plus 375. The previous trade we lost 3 points. We were short at 38, and they ran them up a little bit more, so unfortunately we had to get stopped out. It was probably right near the high. Let me check that high out here. They ran 42 even, so we front ran the high a little bit. That was good. That was a good deal. And did they ever give that 550? Yeah, they just jammed down to 450. So in hindsight, holding for the 550 would have been okay. But now they're it strikes me here that they're going to be moving into a little bit of limbo. So let's go ahead and just kind of watch things for a while here.